The Hepsia File Manager is set up to be just like your regular PC. It has an intuitive, easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface to move and copy files. And with just a click, you can create a file or a new folder. And everyday functions like renaming and moving are just as easy. Now it's set up so there's no need to leave the control panel. It has many integrated tools like a file viewer, an integrated code editor, and even a what you see is what you get editor. Even the more complicated tasks, like compressing multiple files or extracting an archive, is done with just a click. And uploading a new file is extremely quick. And the download button also sends a file or folder to your desktop right away, saving you time and effort. Now you can even right-click on a file and get all the edit options on screen, so you can instantly perform the action that you want done. And if you have any questions, there's a large Q&A section to help you along the way, so there's no need to look externally for the help that you need. And the informative usage bar shows you how much storage you have left. Now the Hepsia File Manager really allows you to work naturally and quickly with all your files, making all your tasks seem more simple. So get the control panel that can do it all with just a click, and get Hepsia today.